Finally picked up my 10-inch sliding miter saw. I've been wanting this forever, and clearly it's an upgrade. Don't get me wrong, I love my original Ryobi miter saw. This was from my dad. This will always have a special place in my heart. Much as I love it though, ready for the upgrade. I really love these sliding Ryobi saws. They come in a 7 1/4 size blade, a 10-inch blade, which is what you see here, and a 12-inch blade. Now, I was really hesitant on which one to get. I am building a whole new workshop, and it was really important to me that I had enough space to fit the miter saw, but also that I didn't have to make a bench that was like 42 inches deep. It'd be like impossible to reach over. So believe me, I've been going back and forth on which one to get. Most of my projects, yeah, I could get by with the 7 1/4 one. The 12, that one I ruled out a little bit just because, look, I don't plan on cutting 6x6 blocks, and yeah, if I get one, I'll do a cut and I'll flip and I'll cut again. The 10-inch was where I settled, primarily because that's the size of my table saw blade, and now I can just interchange the blades instead of having to spend more on different size blades. That really helped make the decision a little bit easier for me. All right, so let's get this moving. All right, get a closer look at these specs. Let's get this out of the box. Oh, this thing is a beast. Oh, I need all of it. Instruction manual. Yep, got it. All right, let's get this unpackaged. Graceful like the gazelle. Nice 6-foot long plug. Attach the bag. Now again, for me, these will be temporary. I'm going to lower this into my new workbenches. To give you an idea. Clamp is really nice. That's going nowhere. Has a really nice feel to it. I want to bring the saw to full speed and then just go right over it like so. The leveling foot here, level it to the table. Tighten this to lock it in place, loosen it. Clicks in place on some of your most common measurements. The LED switch. I will say this is definitely one you want to bolt down. Loosen this back dial here. Tighten it in place, get a nice angled cut. We got the depth control knob. Yep, it was time for an upgrade. Let's try a quick cut. Look at that. A little rough on the edges. Put a finer cut blade on there. It'll be even nicer. Once again, this is the Ryobi 10-inch compound sliding miter saw. It's available in 7 1/4 blade or a 12-inch blade. This was ideal for me. Work out whatever's ideal for you. All the links are in the description. Be sure to follow us and hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out. Full disclosure, I am not sponsored by Ryobi. Hey, maybe one day. I do support them. I do love them. I've had them forever.